Hey, what's up, Android enthusiasts? Welcome back to Electric Move's Android Tips, the ultimate place for all things Android optimization and gaming hacks. Today I've got something insane for you. Imagine unlocking ultra-smooth gaming performance with just one app. Yes, you heard me right. Introducing the Maserati Booster APK, the game changer for all mobile gamers. Stick around because you don't want to miss this one. Alright, so here's the deal. Maserati Booster is not your average game booster. Forget Gear Up, Shark Space, or Vortex. This baby takes Android optimization to the next level. It's like having a sports car engine under the hood of your phone. Seriously, guys, this is no clickbait. Lag? Say goodbye to it forever. Maserati Booster tweaks your system in real time, ensuring every frame counts. Perfect for games like COD Mobile, PUBG, or Free Fire. Check this out. Its floating panel design is sleek and so intuitive. It reminds me of Xiaomi's on-game Turbo, but even better. Clear cache, boost FPS, and more, all in just a tap. Now it's your turn. Download the Maserati Booster APK and try it out. Comment below with your favorite feature, or let me know how it worked for you. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an Android hack from me. Now let's do the tutorial video. Don't miss out to watch carefully to avoid any mistakes. Let's go.
Never be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part, no, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky, and we both know that I can't be your backstreet boy.
Hello everyone! Christmas is just around the corner. Have you made a wish for Santa Claus yet? This year, Tongits Go will be your very own exclusive Santa Claus, bringing you the gifts you've always wanted. Did you know that your Go Stars in Tongits Go can be swapped for amazing rewards? We're talking loads, Sodexo passes, and incredible gifts. Whether you want to treat your family or spoil yourself, you can choose from brand new mobile phones, stylish home appliances, or even get loads to grab popular ML skins, like the Hunter X Hunter skins, completely free. And here's the best part. Tongits Go's Christmas Carnival is more exciting than ever. This year, they're giving away 36 mobile phones. Stay tuned because I'm about to share how you can win one. Mark your calendars for December 25th and January 1st at 8 p.m. Join the Group Grand Tournament, where each session will give away 3 mobile phones and an astonishing 56,000 Go Stars. 2. Every day there's a daily group Christmas tournament where 1 mobile phone will be up for grabs. 3. And don't forget to check out other events like Diamond Consumption Rankings, Group Lucky Draws, and log-in rewards for more chances to win. Oh, and one more thing. Have you tried the Merry Christmas slot in Tongits Go? It's so much fun. The Christmas atmosphere is magical. Collect more than 4 Christmas trees, and Santa Claus will shower you with tons of gold to keep the fun going. This Christmas, Tongits Go is pulling out all the stops with a variety of activities. It's your chance to win loads, mobile phones, and so many other amazing gifts. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to download Tongits Go now and join the Christmas Carnival party. Make sure to participate and feel the Christmas spirit like never before. Merry Christmas and good luck, everyone!
That's a